back to Girl Talks Geek. I'm Nikki, and today we're geeking out over Queen Atlanna's look from the upcoming Aquaman movie. I'm going to walk you through creating this inspired look. I thought it would be fun to use her underwater life as part of the inspiration, hence the wet and glossy look. But first, let's chat about the film. It hits theaters all over the world on December 14th, but it doesn't officially make it to the US and all of North America until December 21st. I'm not sure why, but I have a feeling that avoiding spoilers is going to be extra tough, since the rest of the world will have likely already seen it multiple times. But I do have some exciting news. If you're an Amazon Prime member, I love you, Amazon, and you're in North America, there will be an advanced screening on December 15th at 7 p.m. Now, this is for select movie theaters, including Studio Movie Grill. I mean, can I get a round of applause for that, guys? All right, that's it. It's time to channel Atlantean royalty in this simple and sexy wet look. All right, so I'm kicking off this look with an Urban Decay Urban Defense Primer. It has SPF 30 in it. And I really got to clean up my skin this time, so I'm using my favorite combo of the NYX HD Photo Concealers, both in green and just more natural skin tone to help cover up some of the grain since I have a lot of blemishes. Trust me, the lights are hiding some of them, so I got a lot of cleanup to do. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all in and then move on to Born to Glow. It's a liquid illuminator from NYX. I love it. It goes on both under and over foundation for a really glowy look. And you know I've got my Fenty foundation. Riri knows how to do makeup, and I love her foundation. I just love everything Fenty. If your skin is similar to mine, you're going to want to use shade 290. It has a lot of gold undertones. Really great color match. I'm obsessed with it. And then there you see me adding the illuminator again over. You can see it kind of using it like a highlighter, really just wanting to add overall glow since it's a wet look. Next up is my Too Faced Pink Leopard Blushing Bronzer. It's kind of like a 2-in-1, like it says, both blushing and bronze to your skin. And then onto this amazing eye gloss from NYX. It's called Glazed and Confused in the color Get Naked. And it's really just a fun addition to the wet look. Adds color, has a lot of gloss. And then onto our eyes. I've got a white eyeliner just opening up my eyes. And then I'm going back in with a faux black pencil from NYX in the color Midnight. The blue is going to pop more because I added the white. They kind of bled together and it was really cool. The bottom lashes, I'm adding Lash Sensational from Maybelline just because I'm going to add drama to the top lashes. I didn't want to forget about the bottom ones. For your top eyeliner, just use your favorite. I recommend Urban Decay has a great one, but there's also so many great drugstore eyeliners. Maybe I should do a roundup actually. And here I am. I'm just going to add my eyelashes. There we go. Get them on. They're still so tricky for me, but I did it. I made it happen. I'm going to finish this look with the Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss from NYX in the color 06. Natural, glowy, glossy, and of course, that wet look is right on. Onto the hair. Alright, so you're going to want to start by dampening your hair with a spray bottle. Get it really wet, not dripping, but as wet as you can get it. And then we're adding some argan oil. This will help your hair look shiny and wet even once it dries. You can also use, if you have a different other oil, like coconut oil, Moroccan oil, whatever works for you. And I'm so excited about this giant tub of gel that I got for like $2. Most drugstores carry this. It's just a basic gel. It even says wet look on it. And the reason I'm using gel over mousse or another product is just because I touch my hair a lot and I like it to be movable, and sometimes it can get stiff with a mousse or other products. So I'm just blending it in. Make sure to wet your roots. And there it is. We're about to see this, the final look coming your way now. does it feel to rule over all of Atlantis? Kind of cool, right? Everything you need to recreate this inspired wet look is linked below for your shopping convenience. I will also be sharing a blog post soon with a lot more photos. And I guess this is probably a good time to mention that Girl Talks Geek is also a blog. So in between new videos, you can always find me there with plenty of fun, geeky, girly goodness. Now, in the comments below, I want to know, how excited are you for Aquaman? Also, let me know which look you want to see me do next, and I will be back very soon with another fun video. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the girly geeky goodness.